Hi.
Oh.
Oh. Hi, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Wow, I didn't know she was so skinny.
When she came in, she couldn't even walk.
Oh man. Oh my gosh.
I can't wait to see the transformation.
I can't wait to show you.
She's a really great girl.
Can you believe that someone let her get like this? Good for you. How much does she weigh? 35 kilograms.
70 pounds.
70 pounds, okay. So what do you think is a healthy weight for her? 100, 130?
Yeah, I say about 120.
Yeah. Thank you all for taking such good care of her.
Thank you.
Come on, bring it in. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, sweetie
Thank you
pie.
so much.
Oh, look at her go. Smell the flowers, baby.
You're so good.
Absolutely.
You did so good. You are good. Our first carry together. Come on. Let's go home. Look how precious. Look how precious it is. You're too fast. Do you love her, Poppy? Do you love hers? Take her on a very short walk, nothing too crazy. Pretty fast. Good job. Maybe that's it. I think that's all for you. I think that's all. Let's go back. So she can't even walk up the stairs. Like, I'm sorry about that. There you go. Oh, I didn't think she would even try. Look, you're home. Oh, you're home now. My mom has no idea that this dog has never been here before. It's just me, your papa. Yes. Rode in my Mildred. Hey guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Mildred is doing amazing. She is sincerely the best gift the universe, Sammy. Come on, Mildred. Millie. I'm so grateful that she's here. She is improving drastically every single day. You know, guys, now, when we first got her, she couldn't even walk. Now Mildred runs after the ATV, rides with us wherever we go, does everything, swimming, playing. She's doing so good. She now weighs 100 pounds. I'm so proud of you. You're a different dog, dude. You're a different dog. Look at that baby.